In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Shopify theme with Shopify Magic AI. We'll walk through how to use Shopify's built-in AI tools to quickly update your theme text, especially your headings, so your store looks polished and professional without spending hours writing and rewriting copy. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and of course, your online storefront. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where all your themes live and where you'll manage how your website looks to customers. On the Online Store page, you'll see your current theme at the top. Next to it, there should be an option to customize or edit your theme. Click on Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which shows a preview of your site on the right and a list of sections and settings on the left. Now, click on a section you want to edit. This could be your homepage banner, a collection list, or any other block that contains text. When you select a section, its settings will appear in the left-hand column. You're looking for the heading or text field that you want to change. Inside that heading setting, look for a small sparkle or magic wand icon. That icon represents Shopify Magic AI. Click on it, and you'll see options to rephrase, extend, or simplify your existing heading. Rephrase will keep the same idea but change the wording. Extend will make the text longer and more detailed. Simplify will make it shorter and more direct. Choose the option that best fits what you want. Shopify Magic will generate a few suggestions for you. If you don't like the options it gives you the first time, simply click Generate Again. You can do this as many times as you need until you see a heading that feels right for your brand, tone, and audience. Once you find a heading you like, click on it to apply it to that section. You'll see the change appear immediately in the preview on the right, so you can check how it looks in context. From here, feel free to click on any other section in your store and look for more of those sparkle icons. Anywhere you see that icon, you can use Shopify Magic AI to help customize the text, keeping your branding consistent across your homepage, product pages, and collections. When you're happy with all your changes, don't forget to click Save in the Theme Editor. This makes your new headings and text live on your storefront, so your customers